Changing your username on Amazon is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Amazon website and sign into your account using your current username and password. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists menu at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to your profile. In the Your Account section, find and select your profile to access your account details, including your username. Step 4. Edit your username. Look for the option to edit your username. Click on the Edit button next to your current username and enter your desired new username. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button. You may need to confirm your identity through a verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your username will be updated. Remember to log out and log back in to see the changes reflected in your account.